6.1 question number 6 first. We have to prove that sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. We'll write left hand side first. Sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta. So here LCM is at cos theta, so I'll multiply this cos theta with cos theta. I'll get cos square theta plus, I'll get sin square theta plus cos square theta whole upon cos theta. Now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 upon cos theta. Here reason in bracket. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos and sec are inverse to each other. Sec is inverse of cos and cos is inverse of sec. So 1 upon cos theta is what? Sec theta. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. Okay, sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta, LCM cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta whole upon cos theta. But sin square theta plus cos square theta is one trigonometric identity. So I'll get 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta is what? Sec theta. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. Okay. Now question 6. 2. Main question number 6, sub question 2, exercise 6.1. We have to prove that cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Solution. Left hand side cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Reason 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And cos and sec are inverse to each other. So instead of sec square theta, I'll write 1 upon cos square theta. Cancel cos square theta and cos square theta is cancelled. I'll get 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Hence proved. Okay. Now 6.1, question number 6, main question number 6, sub question 3. See, we have to prove that 1 minus sin theta whole upon 1 plus sin theta. See, root of 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Solution. Left hand side root of 1 minus sin theta whole upon 1 plus sin theta. So it's whole root of 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Next step, whole root of 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. We'll rationalize this, multiply by whole root of 1 minus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta. So I'm multiplying this ratio with root of 1 minus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta. So here in the numerator, both the terms are same, like terms and like sign. Like term and like sign, so I'll write bracket square. 1 minus sin theta, the whole bracket square. And denominator like terms but unlike signs. 1 into 1 is what 1, plus into minus is minus, sin theta into sin theta is what sin square theta. So it is of the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square is what? A plus b, a minus b. So here I get 1 minus sin square theta. Next step, 1 minus sin theta, the whole bracket square upon 1 minus sin square theta is replaced by cos square theta. Reason, since one minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Now next step I will find the square root. So square root of 1 minus sin theta, the whole bracket square is 1 minus sin theta, and square root of cos square theta is what? Cos theta. Then I will go for separation, 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. So 1 upon cos theta is what? Sec theta. Sin theta upon cos theta is what? Tan theta. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Hence proved. So now I'll start with question 4, sub question 4 of question number 6. Okay. It's sec theta minus cos theta into cot theta plus tan theta, close the bracket, is equal to tan theta into sec theta. Solution. Left hand side is sec theta minus cos theta. You have cot theta plus tan theta. So sec theta is what? 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta. Cot theta is what? Cos theta upon sin theta. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. The first bracket LCM is what? Cos theta. So I have to multiply this cos theta with cos theta. So 1 minus cos square theta whole upon cos theta. Second bracket, cross multiplication, cos square theta plus sin square theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Next step, we know that 1 minus cos square theta is sec square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So sin square theta upon cos theta multiply by here cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 as per trigonometry identity whole upon sin theta into cos theta. The reason I'll write here, since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then I'll cancel this sin theta with sin theta here. So I'll have sin theta upon cos theta into 1 upon cos theta. So sin theta upon cos theta is what? Tan theta into 1 upon cos theta is what? Sec theta. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, sec theta minus cos theta, या cot theta plus tan theta is equal to tan theta into sec theta, hence proved. Okay, I'll start with question 5. Cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. Solution: LHS, left hand side. Left hand side is cot theta plus tan theta. Okay, cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta, plus tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. So I'll cross multiply cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, whole upon sin theta into cos theta. So sin square theta plus cos theta is 1, 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. 1 upon sin theta is what? Cosec theta. 1 upon cos theta is what? Sec theta. Because cosec is inverse of sin and sec is inverse of cos. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta, hence proved. Okay. Okay, I'll start with question 6. One upon sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Solution. So we have to prove that 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. So your LHS is 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. So 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. I'll multiply numerator and denominator by sec theta plus tan theta upon sec theta plus tan theta. So I have sec theta plus tan theta whole upon sec theta into sec theta. Sec theta into sec theta, sec square theta. Minus into plus is minus. Tan theta into tan theta is a tan square theta. So we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. I'll write the reason here. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So we get right hand side, that is sec theta plus tan theta. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Okay. Now I'll start with question 7. This question is important. It's sin raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. This is what we have to prove. Solution: left hand side, sin raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta. This is of the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square is what? A plus b, a minus b. So here sin square theta minus cos square theta, second bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know that here sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So I'll write sin square theta minus cos square theta into 1. Reason: sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now this sin square theta I can write as 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta. Reason: since sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So minus cos square theta is what? Minus 2 cos square theta. So 1 minus 2 cos square theta. So here we get our right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore sin raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Hence proved. Okay. So now I'll start with question 8. Question 8. It is sec theta plus tan theta is equal to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Solution: left hand side is sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta is what? 1 upon cos theta. Okay. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. LCM is same, denominator is same, cos theta. So I'll add numerator. So 1 plus sin theta whole upon cos theta. Next step, I'll multiply numerator and denominator by 1 minus sin theta. Since we want 1 minus sin theta on right hand side. So multiply by 1 minus sin theta whole upon 1 minus sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta is what? 1 minus sin square theta. This is of the form a square minus b square. And denominator cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. So 1 minus sin square theta is what? Cos square theta upon cos theta. So cos theta cancel. I'll get cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Here reason I'll write 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. So therefore sec theta plus tan theta is equal to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Hence proved. Okay. Okay, now I'll start with question number 9. See here we have to prove that they are given that tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2 given. And we have to prove that tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. So left hand side tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is 2 is equal to 2. So now we have to square on both the sides because in our TPT we need a square. So squaring both the sides we get tan square theta plus 2 tan theta into 1 upon tan theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 4. So here I use the formula a plus b bracket square, the whole bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Square of 2 on right hand side is 4. So here tan theta and tan theta is cancelled. So you get tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta plus 2 is equal to 4. Now this 2 is transferred on right hand side. So 4 minus 2 is what? 2. So I'll get tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. Hence proved. Okay. Now I'll start with question number 10. We have to prove that tan a upon 1 plus tan square a the whole bracket square plus cot a upon 1 plus cot square a whole bracket square is equal to sin a into cos a. So I have written here left hand side tan a upon 1 plus tan square a bracket square plus cot a upon 1 plus cot square a bracket square. We know that 1 plus tan square a is what? Sec square a formula. 1 plus cot square is what? Cosec square a. So tan a upon sec square a bracket square plus cot a upon cosec square a bracket square. Now I know that tan a is what? Sin a upon cos a, division sign. Sec and cos are inverse. So divided by sec square a bracket square is replaced by 1 upon cos square a bracket square. Cot a is written as cos a upon sin a. Cosec square a bracket square is replaced by 1 upon sin square a bracket square. So sin a upon cos a, this is 1 upon cos raised to 4a. So division changes to multiplication. So denominator will become numerator. So it will be multiplied by cos raised to 4a plus cos a upon sin a into sin raised to 4a. Here one cos is cancelled with this, one sin is cancelled with this. What is remaining is sin a into cos cube a plus cos a into sin cube a. Now in this statement, what is common? Sin a into cos a. So I have taken it out. Sin a into cos a. Into bracket sin a plus into bracket sin square a plus cos square a. And as per the identity, sin square a plus cos square is at 1. So this bracket is replaced by 1. So 1 multiplied sin into cos a is sin into cos a, our right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Okay. So now I'll start with question number 11. Sec raised to 4a into 1 minus sin raised to 4a minus 2 tan square a is equal to 1. This you have to prove. So left hand side is at sec raised to 4a into 1 minus sin raised to 4a minus 2 tan square a. 1 minus sin raised to 4a can be written as 1 minus sin square a into 1 plus sin square a. It is of the form a square minus b square is, you know, a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. In the same way, I have written 1 minus sin raised to 4a as 1 minus sin square a into 1 plus sin square a minus 2 tan square a as it is. Now 1 minus sin square a is what? Cos square a. So next step is what? Sec raised to 4a. 1 minus sin square a is replaced by cos square a into 1 plus sin square a minus 2 tan square a. Now sec and cos are inverse. So sec raised to 4a is written as 1 upon cos raised to 4a into cos square a, 1 plus sin square a as it is, and 2 tan square is written as 2 sin square upon cos square a. Now cos square gets cancelled, so you get 1 plus sin square upon cos square a minus 2 sin square upon cos square a. Now denominator is same, cos square a. So I get 1 plus sin square a minus 2 sin square a. So plus sin square a minus 2 sin square is what? Minus sin square a. So I get 1 minus sin square a upon cos square a. Now 1 minus sin square is what? Cos square a. So I'll get cos square upon cos square a 1. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence proved. I'll start with question 12. Tan theta upon sec theta minus 1 is equal to tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 whole upon tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Now solution, left hand side tan theta upon sec theta minus 1. I'll multiply left hand side numerator and denominator by sec theta plus 1. So in the numerator I'll get tan theta into sec theta plus 1. In the denominator sec theta multiplied sec theta sec square theta minus multiplied plus is minus, 1 multiplied 1 is 1. So I get tan theta into sec theta plus 1 whole upon tan square theta. I'll cancel tan. So I'll get sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta. So this is my right hand side. I got this right hand side from left hand side, tan theta upon sec theta minus 1. So I'll write tan theta upon sec theta minus 1 is equal to sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta. Now I'll have to use theorem on equal ratio, means I'll have to remove this equal to sign and I need to combine left hand side and right hand side. So by using theorem on equal ratio, I get tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. So this is our right hand side. That's what they're given. That's what they want. Okay. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore tan theta upon sec theta minus 1 is equal to tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta plus sec theta minus 1, hence proved. So I have finished part 2 of trigonometry. Now next time I'll see you in part 3 video. Thank you for watching this video and please like, share and subscribe.